What's going on? It's Jackson from 3RM. Hopefully you're watching this video because you just received my email or you have responded to me on Telegram. I'm really excited to share a little bit of information on what we're cooking up here. But first I want to start with this idea that we started 3RM about 3 years ago. We learned so much from all of you and working together. And we recently decided, with the technological advances of everything that's going on, what would it look like if we rebuilt 3RM from the ground up? What would we change? What would we improve? And that's kind of the formation of this product. 3RM was a lot of manual data entry. 3RM didn't have any chat contents. 3RM had a lot of configuration. The batch messaging was kind of shaky. We learned a lot about the sync and security and stability. Regardless, I want to just say that we're bringing everything into one product suite. We're tying it all together into this new product. And that's why I wanted to get in touch today. So first things first, about security and stability, what we learned from 3RM is that we don't need to store any of that content from your Telegram. We can access it through the front end. You sign in twice, once to receive and send messages, and the other to be able to run sort of the AI processing on it. We also have a privacy policy in terms of service that outlines that we don't store any of that content. We have a zero data retention policy through OpenAI. So your data is basically sent, returned with a summary with the other prompts that you see here, and then displayed. And we're working on more dynamic caching in order to save ourselves from those bills. But basically, I just wanted to cover the top of funnel, most important things. Nothing stored, your session string's encrypted. We move everything through the front end. We don't store any content, and then none of this data is being used to train any models. So now that we're through the FAQ, I figured we can jump right into the story and the timeline. Like I said before, working rapidly on bringing 3RM into this product. That'll be Kanban boards, that'll be filtering, tagging, shared team views, etc. But we wanted to start from scratch and say, what would we build for our power users, for people right now, and how would we get started? So we're going to start here and basically kick off with the action station. The first thing you're going to notice is we have baseline analytics now. This is all based on actual Telegram analytics. This is going to be expanded. Make any request. Tell me what you want. You can toggle this on or off at any point in time. The next thing is for the action station. Right now, as of November 19th, we run this based on time frames. So we have all the way up to a month, plus 3 hours, etc. And then we also have various filters. So you can choose what folders or non-archived messages you want to inbox, handles of you and your teammates that you want to track in case there's a mention, keywords, name or company. Then you can also hop over here and see Telegram data and obviously remove that at any point in time. This disconnects to your Telegram across the board in both connections. This deletes everything that we possibly have. It's a kind of like an eject button. Once you save these settings and you go back to the application, you're going to see a variety of different GPTs that we've generated for you. The first is old follow-ups. This scans and it looks at chats that there was no response for more than 30 days. It creates a next action and it creates a last topic to give you more context. Key action items that goes through and basically breaks down what action items come from your conversations as a team, chats that you did not receive a reply to. So you could have sent a message and then they did not respond. So that's a good, kind of sort of automatic follow-up. Summaries, as we spoke about before, which then will go through and basically provide summaries. Opportunities in chats that might be dormant, message frequency analytics, and warm leads. We're constantly testing with different GPTs and different prompts. They all run separately and independently on different processes. So this will be evolving over time. You can join our Telegram community to see how that goes and what that looks like. So let's start with like summaries, for example. If I want to look at all of our summaries, we now have what we call the queue. And the queue is quick keys that allow you to move through all of your summaries and see what you need to take care of and how you process. You can see the sentiment, topic, summary. You can create reminders, you can create notes, you can dismiss, archive, or you can even now open up the chat. Yay! And when you open up the chat, you can see all the messages, you can see everything tied together. And more importantly, what you can do is you can actually click anywhere up on this top bar and you can now create reminders, you can create notes, you can open up directly in Telegram, you can send a message directly from here back to the chat, and you can move through the next chat, keeping those smart keys obviously alive. What's really cool about this is that, as you start updating your CRM, we can obviously hopefully figure out what is important to you, what isn't important to you, and improve that process. We can create reminders, and the reminders look something along like this for now. And so then you're able to move through and check off your reminders and keep things up to date and switch chats very easily. We have an all chats page that allows you to see your entire inbox for everything going on all in one spot. And you're able to then go back once again to the action center, go back through and just start taking care of what you need to get done and what moves the needle most important. Let's say you get through all of your action items and you want to look at something like no replies. You can once again open up that filter, see what you haven't responded to, and move through those options right away. We hope you enjoy this product. I try to make this as quickly as possible. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said before, rapidly adding. We are working focus on primarily on this. We're working on bringing 3RM and the things that you love into this product for that shared view. Feedback would be greatly appreciated. Let me know if you have any questions. I really appreciate all your support. If you're watching this, thank you so much. And I hope to talk to you soon. All right, see ya. Bye.